Hi, you clicked this video because you need help, and I shall give you what you need. So a lot of y'all don't know how to style the DTI theme Y3K and say that it's confusing, but it's not. Y to K is easy because just remove the Y and you can get to K. If you said to K it means 2000, then add the Y back. The Y stands for year. So put them together and you have year 2000. Same with Y3K, it means you're 3000. So basically the future. So don't dress like a normal human from the future. Make a robot fit or a flying car fit. Anything you think would be in the future and be cool. And by the way, there is a difference between basic and simple. Being simple and okay, but being basic is boring. So don't show up on the runway with teal hair, the fur combo, a skirt with teal, and a pair of glasses and think that'll do the trick, because it will not. Be creative, out of the box. Don't copy people, add items that match. Try to layer a bit. You don't have to, but you can. But don't overlayer or it will be tacky and very ghetto. Mix glam and casual, use skirts and dresses, and add flair and pizzazz. Go all out for this fit. And that's how to make a Y3K fit-on dress to impress. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and press the notification bell to always get notified. I'll see you later. Bye.